Welcome to Listen and Comprehend English. For more lessons, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, you'll listen to a notice at Florida Hotel Swimming Pool. Listen to the recording and answer the questions related to the recording. So let's get started. Florida Hotel Swimming Pool. Opening hours, Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 22 p.m. Sunday, 9 a.m. to 17 p.m. Remember the precautions: no diving, no running, no eating or drinking in the pool. Use the steps to go into the pool. Children should be with an adult at all times. Respect the lifeguard at all times. This is the end of the recording. Now answer the questions related to the recording. Read the poster and do the exercises to practice and improve your reading skills. Preparation. Draw a line to match the word with the correct picture. Dive. Swimming pool. Adult. Children. Steps. Lifeguard. Check your understanding. Grouping. What do you do at the swimming pool? Write the verbs in the correct group. 1. Use the steps: dive, swim, eat, listen to the lifeguard, drink. Write the verbs in the correct group. 4. At the swimming pool, what you can do, and at the swimming pool, what you can't do. Check your understanding. True or false? Circle true or false for these sentences. The swimming pool is open every day. True or false? The swimming pool is open at 8 on Sunday. True or false? You can eat in the pool. True or false? Children can swim alone. True or false? You can't dive into the pool. True or false? The swimming pool closes early on Sunday. True or false? This is the end of the recording. Answers are given at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.